Welcome back, artistic family, to Shannon Gibson Art and Designs. As always, happy you guys are here. So we're back with my favorite medium for texture, which is drywall compound. But today I'm doing like a DIY paste and adding some beach sand in with it, just to give it some beautiful variation, which you will see in a moment. And when it's really thick, as well as sand likes to suck up moisture, I like to add some water to it, just to thin it out a little bit. Now you can add more sand if you want it to be a lot more grittier or have more grit texture, but this is the consistency I want it. Yum. And so the composition, or actually the focal point of the texture, I want to be more linear. So as you're seeing here, I'm spreading it a little bit asymmetrical from each other, one down, one up. And I'm just kind of lightly spreading it in some areas and keeping the texture thicker in others while making some beautiful patterns, as you can see. And you can feel and hear the grit, and you can also see the soft areas, which is why I love to add that in with the compound. I mean, you can add it in with your gloss mediums as well, but it really creates this beautiful variation, as you can see. And it's just going to add so much more interest to the painting.